Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Zilliqa coin. In today's video, we will take a look at this breakout from the falling wedge pattern, and we will also watch this bigger falling wedge pattern that has been formed on the weekly time frame chart. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and I'm also covering the different altcoins which are possibly going to start big bullish reversal moves after this market crash. And let's move and start with this chart. This is the 4-hour time frame chart, and right now you can see that we are not able to break out this 4.5 cents resistance level that I was showing you in my previous video as well. And you can see recently, a few hours back, we are rejected once again. And right now the price line is accumulated between this 4.5 cents resistance and the 3.7 cent support. We have a very strong support, by the way, here at 3.7 cents. If we take a look at here at the weekly time frame chart, this is the 3.7 cents support, and you can see previously here it has been working as a support, and here it was working as a resistance, and almost here as a support as well. Therefore right now it has worked as a very nice support, and the price line is getting bounced, and now it is trying to break out this resistance of the wedge. Now on the smaller time frame, we have this resistance of 4.5 cents. If it will be broken now, then the next resistance will be here at 5.5 cents, and you can see this level has been breaking previously as a resistance as well. Now if we watch on the hourly time frame chart, then while moving here between 3.7 cents support and the 4.5 cents resistance level on the hourly time frame chart, it formed this falling wedge pattern, and recently it has broken out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. Now if we take a look at the target for this falling wedge on this hourly time frame chart, that is here at the top of the wedge, that is very close to 4.5 cents. So it means that it is showing that soon it can make a powerful attempt to break out the next resistance of 4.5 cents. Now if we watch here on this weekly time frame chart, then we can see that we are again reached the resistance of this bigger falling wedge pattern. This is the hourly time frame chart, and you can see this is the resistance of the falling wedge pattern that we are watching on the weekly time frame. And right now, after this rejection, we moved down, we tested the previous support of 3.7 cents, and now we are again moved up to make another attempt to break out this resistance of the wedge. Now if I place another trend line here from here up till now, and I'm just going to switch from this weekly time frame to the daily time frame, but before that I want to remove these resistance and support levels of this bigger wedge. And now if we switch to the daily time frame, then we can see here Zilliqa formed another resistance line, and that was on the daily time frame chart a newly down channel formation. And recently you can see that Zilliqa has also broken out this resistance of the down channel, and this resistance can now turn into a nice support. And now we have two supports here. One is at 3.7 cents, and also the support of the previous down channel that has been formed on the daily time frame chart. Now if we take a look at the target for this down channel, that is here at approximately 20 cents, and let me move back to the weekly time frame right now, and let me show you the target for this weekly time frame. That is very close to the previous target of down channel, that is 20 cents, and the target for the bigger wedge is 23 cents. But I'm expecting that during this rally, this time Zilliqa can even break out this resistance of 23 cents as well, because we have a very big bullish divergence. You can see that price line is forming lower than previous low, and RSI is forming higher low than previous low, and the stochastic is also completely oversold zone. Right now we have received the buying signal by the stochastic, so soon I'm expecting a very big reversal that can also break out this resistance of the falling wedge, and after breaking out this wedge, it can also break out the final resistance of 23 cents as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well, and for more ideas you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care, goodbye.